up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. I got a nice Chevy up for sale today. We're going to do a full walkthrough, go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. Before we get started, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see all of our new content in every single day we get new cars. All right, guys, let's get started. 1972 Chevy Chevelle SS Tribute. Not a real SS, but it definitely looks nice and it drives nice. Car was redone, I was told by the previous owner 10 years ago. It came from down south. It was in Florida its whole life. It's got no rot, no rust. It's got a few imperfections, which I will show you, but for the most part, this car is clean. It shines really nice and looks good. We'll start off with the driver's door. As you can see my reflection really good. Paint shines very well. Got a couple of little imperfections in the paint, looks like in the clear coat. I guess they call that fish eyes. Got a little spot here. Looks like a paint drip. Besides that, the rest of the door is nice. Again, another fisheye right there. This fender's in good shape. Wheel looks to be in good shape. Tires also in good shape. Go over here. Hood sits well. Gaps look pretty decent on both sides. I don't see anything that stands out. This gap is a little bit more on this side. Not much, but it definitely does sit good. Got a little ding right there. Bumper's in good shape. Got the cowl induction hood. Going to this fender over here. This fender's in good shape. I don't see any scratches or anything on it. Wheels in good shape. Tires got plenty of life left as well. Looking at the roof. Roof's got a little scratch right here. I don't see any dings on it or dents. A little paintless dent removal right here. Very small. You can barely see it. Go down to this door. This door shows very well. I don't see any flaws in it. Just the normal. Car just has a little bit scratches to the clear coat. Looks like a nice buff would make this paint even better, but it looks good. The paint is shiny. Okay, you got a scratch right here and here. So a little spot here about the size of my thumb. This looks like it'll buff right out. This quarter in good shape. Now this is orange. It might come across red in the video, but it's definitely an orange. In the light, out of the light, it looks more red. Wheels in good shape. Tires are like brand new. Going to the back bumper. Back bumper's in good shape. Little pitting here, nothing major. Now it looks like somebody did nick the back bumper right here into something. That's probably the worst of the car right here. That's the biggest flaw. Trunk lid is nice. I don't see any flaws with it. Little crack right here. And you got a little imperfection in the paint right here. Now it looks like this quarter's had some work done to it. I see a little wave in it. You can't really tell unless you know what you're looking for. But I can, if you look at an angle, you can just see a baby little wave. But this thing's in good shape, guys. Not many flaws on this at all. Take a look at the undercarriage. Undercarriage is solid. There's no rot on it, no rust. Garage kept. Frame rails all look good. Suspension, I don't see any drips under the car. Let's see if we can spot an oil leak. Okay, looks like power steering has a little drip. I see a little seepage on that line there, but it's not pouring out, just a little bit of seepage. The rest of it all looks solid. I try to describe these cars as accurate as possible. I want you guys to know exactly what you get. They have a good reputation. We sell a lot of cars. None of them are perfect, but at least you know exactly what's going on. I don't like surprises. And I don't want you to run into surprises at all. Okay, I got a car cover in here. Looks like the fuel pump, mechanical fuel pump, was moved to the rear. Quarters look solid. All this looks solid. Other quarter looks all good. This is all undercoated at some point. It looks all solid. Got a little bit of moisture getting in here. Looks all good. Let's see how it closes. Closes well. Do see a baby little scratch there I missed earlier. Let's go ahead and shut the door, see how the door is shut. The door shut's good. I didn't slam it or anything. I'm using minimum force. That thing closed all the way. Let's try a little bit harder. Closed good, and I'm using minimal force. I'll throw it harder and it shuts perfect. It lines up good. The gaps on this door is nice. Inside of the doors look solid. Usually the older Chevys, the doors don't sit so well. Let's try this one. This one I opened up earlier, shuts good. Without slamming it, just shut it normal, shuts good. I'll do a little bit lighter. Yeah, this one even shuts better. That's definitely a solid car. Door jambs are in good shape. Let's go ahead and look under the hood. Alright guys, under the hood, looks like a nice clean engine. I will say the hood springs are not holding up the hood. I mean, it'll hold it up, but it'll also fall if any kind of wind or anything blows it. So I got this holding it up so it doesn't slam. But these are gonna need to be replaced. If I sell it before I get them in, it'll go the way it is. But if I get them in before it goes, I'll replace them. But yeah, we put a new Holly on it. The other carburetor was too big for this engine. It runs real good now. It ran well before, but the idle was off a little bit. Now it's idling really good. Give it a tune up. Electric choke. Just a nice clean 350. We'll fire it up for you, and then I'll show you the inside. Got a mild cam in it. Sounds really, really good. Show you guys the inside. Yeah, 3R racing seats. Got a little cut right there. It's got the Grant steering wheel. You got Sun Pro 3 gauges. Here's the other seat. Dash cover's in good shape. We're showing 22,781. I'm assuming those are not actual miles. We'll start it up again. Just want to show you the inside. Hopefully it starts right up. And it does. Horn does not work on this one. Oil pressure's moving, voltage meter's working, and we'll see if our temperature gauge works. Okay, that works. Radio's working. You got your RPM gauge there. Try the turn signals. Left is working. Right side's working. Headlights work. And the only other thing I want to point out is this B&M shifter. So you gotta pull it here, go down to neutral, hand off of that, and then over to drive. And now it's in drive. Then reverse, click up, you're in reverse, and then it won't move to get to park, pick it up again, and you're in park. So pick up for reverse, one more for neutral, neutral will stop, and then over for drive. Which is, I think, pretty cool. for sale now. Give me a call, 215-801-9493, or go on our website, BobEvansClassics.com. Appreciate you guys checking out our page, checking out the car. Up for sale now. If you're interested, give me a call, and God bless the USA. Let's go.